Hi everyone, I'm Arlene and today I'm going to do unboxing of my special edition of my ACOTAR set from Acrylipics. And before I unbox this thing, actually I bought this set, when was this? Like it was delivered on September 11 last year. Before I open this box, I just want to let you guys know that I was a non-reader. And the first book that was introduced to me is ACOTAR by Sarah J. Maas. And I could not put down the book. Like, I was obsessed with it. I got hooked. And actually, the book that I read was a soft, not a soft copy, but it was a paperback. So I bought the first ACOTAR book, and it was a paperback. And then as soon as I finished that book, I bought a hard copy for the second book. And I don't know, I wasn't thinking at the time, it didn't cross my mind that, I need to have books that are matching. And so since I love that book so much, I actually gave them away to my cousin. And the third ACOTAR book that I bought was from Kindle. And also the fourth and the fifth book was from Kindle. And I don't know, I went crazy. Aside from the Kindle, I also bought the graphics audio from Audible because it's just so fun and amazing putting voices to these characters that I love. And I was like, okay, I need to have my own copy because these are my trophies. Like, I'm so proud of myself that I read books. Can you imagine? And I used to be a non-reader. And now that, they have announced that ACOTAR 6 and 7 are coming. So I pre-ordered from Barnes & Noble ACOTAR 6 and 7. And I am like, oh my goodness, what I'm going to do with this special edition set from Acrylipics that, there's new books coming. And my thought process was when I bought these books was like, I'm going to have a matching set. So what I'm going to do now, they won't be matching unless Acrylipics is going to print this same special edition for the upcoming books. So without further ado, I'm so excited to open the special edition of ACOTAR book. I don't know why I don't know why I didn't even open this book. Maybe it's just a coincidence, I guess, that today is the right time to open this baby. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So see, it's still like sealed. It's still sealed. We're gonna open this baby together. Whew. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know why I am so nervous. I guess maybe I have so much expectation. I don't know really what to expect. Okay. But, be nervous with me. Oh my goodness. All right, let me turn this way so that you guys can see the entire thing. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna scoot over so that you can see. Oh my goodness, I hope this won't fall. Ah! Guys, look at this. Oh my god, I love purple. My light is even purple as well. Well, I love purple and I love pink. Oh my god, look at this baby, you guys. So this is the special edition from Acrylipics. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, my hair. Okay, all right. I forgot what I ordered, but I think it came with inserts. All right, so let's read what it says. I can't read it right now, but hold on, let me read it for you. It says, This is what Villaris is known for. The Artist Quarter. You'll find 100 galleries, supply stores, butters, compounds, sculpture gardens. I think this is something about Villaris. All right, you guys, let's open this baby. Ooh. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, since book 6 is coming in October, I think I'm going to reread the series using the physical book this time. How am I gonna get up? How am I gonna get this out, guys? I'm scared that this might fall. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just gonna, like, you know, take it out one by one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. See that? And look at that printed edges. All right, hold on. I think I'm gonna put this down first, right? Hold on. Hold on, you guys. Put this down first so that I can bring this closer to you. A Court of Thorns and Roses. Okay, what does it say? Oh, same. It's just the title. Okay, and so, all right. All right, it's just like a plain. Okay. And then, I thought there would be like some print on here. And yeah, I'm kind of disappointed that it's just so plain, you know? Let's see. Okay. All right. It's so pretty though. But I thought I ordered some inserts. Maybe it's somewhere there. But look at the back. Anyway, I love the cover. So this is the book 1. I'm just gonna put this baby here for now. Okay. Oh, the inserts. Ah! Put it there for now. All right. Okay. So A Court of Silver Flames. So thick. Oh, at least this book has, you know, it has some print on it. I think the other one was pink and this is orange. I love this. What do you guys think? Okay. A Court of Frost and Starlight. See, I'm gonna open this baby. It's plain, it's blue. Okay. A Court of Wings and Ruins. Alright, hold on. Oops! Oh my gosh. This box is gonna fall. Alright, so it's plain. Cover is pink. But I love this print right here. Here's the back. Here's the edges of this book. And the last one. Alright. A Court of Mist and Fury. I love this. It's baby blue. But guys, right? It's so pretty. Like, what I'm gonna do now? What am I going to do when the physical hardcover books I pre-ordered for ACOTAR 6 and 7 won't match these babies? So I guess I have to order the original hardcover of book 1 through 5. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I hope Acrylipics, please, Acrylipics, please print some more of this style, right? I don't know. I think Acrylipics have different edition, but I hope that Acrylipics is going to print book 6 and book 7 when it comes out. But you know, I guess it will take years for them to print those. So now let us look at the inserts. I am so excited, you guys. I want to see the pictures, the prints. Look at this. Now I don't know. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Special edition. Oh, these are just listing all the chapters. Okay. And here are all the book inserts. Okay, I think I'm going to show it to you guys one by one. Farah, the wolf. What do you think, guys? What do you think of a race? Right here. What do you think? What do you think? Is he your race? Is he what you imagine? Okay. Oh my goodness, how many inserts do I have? It's so thick. Hold on. But I guess, you know, I'm going to show it to you guys because I'm sure you want to see all the inserts. So this is already 2. I don't know who this is. 3, 4. Ah, I don't remember this scene. 2. Oh, I remember this one. They this is when Farah, you know, arrived in Spring Court and they were eating at the table. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Is this Lucian? That's Lucian. Farah. Tomlin? Mask Tomlin? I don't know who this is. Surya? Farah, I guess. Farah. Tomlin? Yeah, it's Tomlin. I don't remember that scene. I think I remember this scene. What? I don't know. I don't remember that scene. What do you think, guys? Do you think that all of these inserts are, you know, came from the story, you think? Yeah, I remember the scene for sure. Look at it. I don't remember that scene. But guys, this is a lot. A lot. I'm so happy. I am so excited to, you know, insert all of this in the books. Elaine? Yeah, that's Elaine. I don't know. Okay, this is from Under the Mountain for sure. That's Amaranta right there. Nesta? I don't know who this is. I don't know who this is. Lucian? Farah? Ooh! It fell. I don't know. I don't remember that. Do I remember this scene? But guys, I mean, these are all beautiful. I don't know. I lost count. But I'm so happy with this purchase. I was worried that, you know, that the book will be damaged for some reason because, you know, these books were in this box for 7 months, and I'm glad I opened them, the box today with you guys. So I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'm going to be reading because it's been a while since I read the books for the first time, and I'm going to reread them, and hopefully I'll be prepared and you guys will be prepared too when ACOTAR 6 comes out in October, and I'm so excited. And yeah, after I read these books again, I'm going to do my reactions, theories, create cinematic movie clips and edits for you guys, for you to enjoy, because I love making those cinematic clips. It makes me so happy. It does take a while creating those videos, but it's worth it. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I'm going to wrap it up, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. And comment, put a comment down below. Let me know which scene from the ACOTAR books, from 1 through 6. Let me know which scenes you want me to bring to life. Thank you, guys. Bye.